in the veils.
I heard it from the traders tying bales.
I heard it where the fishers strike their sails.
I heard it from the huskers in the trees.
I heard it from the divers of the seas.
I heard it from the founders in the east.
All the people raised the cry, fearing not to bleed or die. All the songs of slave and sad.
Hala, teka lang. Nakukuloy. Oy, wait!
Up the mountain,
Wait lang.
down the plain. Louder, louder, from the strain.
Freedom!
Freedom!
I heard it from the makers of the broom.
I heard it from the weavers of their looms.
I heard it from the smoky sweeter rooms. I heard it in the bullets wide and low. I heard it in the parted island shore.
Yes, yes.